We're at Maindy Cycle Track in Cardiff, the home of the Maindy Flyers and the home of Geraint Thomas. When Geraint started, he was always a good rider, but it took about a year to get into the skills side of things. But once he really got into it and started racing, he progressed very quickly. He's got it all. His stamina, his strength, his power, he's got all of those things in abundance. But he's also got the mental side of it as well, the determination, the mental strength to cope with the knockbacks you get, gets up and he comes back better and stronger than he was before. And that's all to do with his mental strength. For cycling within Wales, I think we've got it all. We have this facility. We have Newport. We have another velodrome at Carmarthen. And then when you move away from the facilities, we've got fantastic roads to ride on. If you want to ride on the flat, you go up and down the estuary. Around here, we've got the mountains north of Cardiff, and then you go further up and you've got the start of the Brecon Beacons, down to the Black Mountains, the Cambrians, Snowdonia. The road system that we have and the climbing, riding that you could do down here is second to none. The scenery is spectacular, it really is. I would say to anybody, you might find views that can match the views in Wales, but you won't find any that are better. You could create road races, you could create a terrain and a circuit and a road. You can ride deadpan flat, fast stages, time trials. You could take them up in the hills, in the mountains, fantastic climbs that will challenge any riders from anywhere in the world. When Geraint won his gold medal in Beijing in 2008, a couple of months later he came down here and did a sort of question and answer session, signing autographs for the kids. Two of the kids that were there that evening were Eleanor Barker and Owain Doull. 8 years later, they had gold medals of their own and subsequently have both been down here with these youngsters inspiring the next generation. I can only see it continuing to get better and better.